Maasin, also known as the bamboo capital of Iloilo. The mountainous municipality of Maasin is an agricultural community. This friendly, clean town in the west central part of Iloilo province is quite attractive. Scenic road with a beautiful view of mountains from neighboring municipalities and provinces. History. Maasin, meaning salty, derived its name from a salty spring in Barangay Magsaysay, almost 2 kilometers from the poblacion. Folk history states that the early settlers frequented the spring for the basic need for salt. 1775. With growing population of Principality of Maasin under the Pueblo of Cabatuan, a new Spanish priest is needed and Gobernador Silio to oversee the edict of Obras Pias of the locals. A village of Maasin was elevated into a pueblo or town. Don Agustin Garcia was appointed as its first capitan to oversee the collection of taxes and governing of the people. A beautiful church and cemetery soon was about to be constructed. It covers Bagakay Settlement, Bukaw, Naslo, Tawog. Mayor Francis A. Amboy. Mayor Francis A. Amboy is currently the mayor of Maasin, and he is also a leader that brings a big impact to all Maasinon peoples. He improved a lot for this town by developing farm road so that people that lives on the mountain can transport their products so easy going to the central or the market. Municipality of Maasin is located at the west central part of Iloilo province, bounding the northern part by the municipality of Haniway, on the east by the municipality of Cabatuan, and by the municipality of Alimujan, and on the non-western by the mountain ranges of the province of Antique. It has a total land area of 15,658 hectares and is politically subdivided into 50 barangays. Maasin is populated by 36,922 Maasinhon. Market days is every Mondays and Thursdays. It annually celebrates its religious fiesta every 30th of December in honor of Santiago. Maasin is called as the bamboo capital, and also aside from agriculture, the residents derive much income from sawali industry and other handicraft made of bamboos. And also bamboos are one of their source of income by selling it to other towns. Festival. Tultugan, celebrated every third week of December, got its name from a native bamboo percussion instrument used by natives of long ago as a tool for communication and as musical instrument. Tultugan is a root word of tultug, which has been defined as an action verbalizing the act of playing sound on bamboo. As a festival, it aims to promote its local bamboo industry, highlighting its significance and importance in the lives of the people in the community. Maasin have a lot of tourist spots, and one of these are Grotto of the Lourdes and the Pait Salty Spring. Maasin got its name from this extraordinary spring located at the Barangay Magsaysay. And St. James the Greater Church. The interior of the church reflects the creativity of skilled Maasinanon in bamboo craft. Sacred Heart Shrine and Hinis Hills. This is 106 steps to the statue of Sacred Heart overlooking the panoramic view of municipality of Maasin. And also, dam site. Barangay Daha built sometime in the late 1030s. This dam capture H2O in its 6,150 hectares resume area that supply water to the Iloilo City by the municipality of Cabatuan, Pabia, Santa Barbara, and Maasin.